Easy real estate investing for beginners. 9 steps to build passive income. Learn how to avoid costly mistakes and understand property value, even if you have no money. A book by Chad K. Smith, MBA. Award-winning 5-star real estate investing guide. Reader's favorite review winner #1 new release in real estate investing. No money? No experience? No problem. Learn how to invest in real estate and start building wealth in 90 days. Are you afraid of making costly mistakes? Worried you don't have enough money or time to get started? You're not alone, and this book is your solution. I don't know how to find a good deal. I'm afraid of losing money. Are you stuck in a job you don't love or struggling to grow your money to get ahead? If you've ever asked yourself these questions, this book is for you. With 90% of millionaires building wealth through real estate, why not you? This action-oriented guide breaks down everything beginners need to know without the fluff or overwhelm. Start your journey toward financial independence today. Real estate isn't just for the wealthy, it's for the ready. Grab your copy now before the price increases and take the first step toward financial freedom. The audiobook is now available on Audible.